Oh, and she is eating. Do you know that? This is 味見。味見をします。Hi, I'm aeru. In this video, I will make miso soup. In Japanese, misoshiru. Have you ever heard that? That is a Japanese traditional soup. Maybe you find that she is a bit younger. That's because I recorded this 3 years ago. Onion. This is 玉ねぎ. Excuse me. She brought a cutting board. And this is nasubi. Nasubi. Eggplant. Nasubi in Japanese. Oh, and what is this? It's myoga in Japanese. And cut. 切ります。切ります。切ります。She is now cutting, so 切っています。玉ねぎを切っています。And 皮を剥いています。And then cut eggplant. ナスビを切っています。She is good at cutting.「とても集中しています。And next 玉ねぎ。玉ねぎを切っています。And put water in pot. お鍋に水を入れています。Someone is crying outside. And children is shouting outside. Okay, finish cutting. And next, fire. 火をつけます。By the way, now it's May in Japan. So the weather is hotter and hotter. How about your country? In Japan, the summer is coming. Oh, okay. And next, in the refrigerator, many vegetables. Oh, put dashi. The water boiled. 水は沸騰しました。And mix 混ぜます。And put eggplant. ナスビを入れます。ナスビを鍋に入れます。or ナスビを鍋の中に入れます。玉ねぎを鍋に入れます。玉ねぎを鍋の中に入れます。 みょうがを鍋に入れます。like this こんな感じ。 Okay, after boiled we put miso in Japanese. Yeah, there are many kinds of miso in Japan and the taste is different. So if you come to Japan, try to eat miso and find your favorite miso. Like 赤味噌 or 白味噌 or 合わせ味噌 yeah, blended miso. Oh, and she is eating. Do you know that? This is 味見をします。And what's that? This is ネギ。Okay, green onion. ネギを鍋に入れます。Already cut onion. No. Already cut green onion. じゃじゃらーん。Finished. Yeah, very easy, right? Andじゃじゃらー finished. おー、こぼれそう。OK。じゃじゃーん。Yeah, looks delicious. 美味しそう。Yeah, this is the end of this video. Miso soup is one of the most basic Japanese food. We eat miso soup and rice and the main dish like karaage or what's that? What the other? Sukiyaki or yakiniku or 野菜炒め like that. Yeah, the way to make miso soup is very simple. So if you have a chance, try to cook this. Thank you for watching. I hope see you soon. Bye. ありがとうございました。